Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, DC Making Love. The song is Dance Like We're Making Love. The artist is CIARA, and the choreography is DJ and CYNT of JESMOVE 2. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, please check out the choreographer, and I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it.
Sweat dripping from my body. Who brought back this party? So come and show me your moves. I got some things I can teach you too. If you want to see, oh, you say you need a shot of the Henny, then you're ready. Do what you need to do. 'Cause I'll be waiting for you. It's about to get hot and heavy. Oh, it's really late. You're getting close and the lights. Oh, your body can sing to the beat of my heart, and I can feel your nature rising while I on you. Let's dance like we're making love. Making love. Let's dance like we're making love. Making love. Let's dance like we're making love. If you're down, just baby, we dance like we're making babies. As soon as our song comes on, 'cause boy, we got all night long. So if you're ready, I'm ready to get it. Come on, I see a little feeling. You wanna get crazy out on this floor. I hope you're sure this is what you want. 'Cause once I'm turned on, you can't turn me on. It's really late. You're getting close and the lights are on. Your body's a sing to the beat of my heart, and I can feel your nature rising while I on you. Let's dance like we're making love. Making love.
love. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.